Hi everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can completely remove any sort of Odoo branding. At first, head over to the website and then you want to click on edit. Now, if you see that if you go down at the very bottom, this place, this might be Odoo for you. So all you need to do is just turn off the copyright option and then click on save, and you can see this would be saved. Another thing is that you see at the top side, we see this Odoo logo. What we need to do for that is go to configuration, settings, and then you see this favicon. This is the Odoo logo. What we want to do is just simply click on clear. As you can see, if I just go and click on save over here, and then go back to my website, there is no logo here. This is basically logoless. And if you go to configuration back, settings, and put any image over here, uh, whatever you say, let's say this GIF, Harry Styles. And then if I save it and then I go to my website, you can see at the top, if I zoom it, oh, it's not zoomable, but this is the Harry Styles logo. Last but not the least, as you can see at the very top, we still have this odoo.com. To remove it, head over to configuration, click on domain name, and then click on my website is ready. From there, click on get a new domain. So now let's say we want the domain name to be this, and then search for it. Now they're going to search up all of these that are available. As you can see, your domain name is free. It's going to be registered with Gandhi, the domain name service provider, and it's going to be free for 1 year. So if I click on select, and I have to just put in all of my information to register, and then the odoo.com would be removed, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.